At the back of Burgessville Baptist Church, there's a cross and a piece of writing on a banner that says, "Sir, we would see Jesus." And I've seen some conversation recently about what that means, and I wanted to share with you a little bit. First of all, that's from the King James. It's John 12, verse 21. And I'm just going to read it in context. I'm looking at the Contemporary English Bible. A crowd had come to meet Jesus because they had seen him call Lazarus out of the tomb. They kept talking about him and this miracle, but the Pharisees said to each other, "There is nothing that can be done. Everyone in the world is following Jesus." Some Greeks had gone to Jerusalem to worship during Passover. Philip from Bethsaida in Galilee was there too. So they went to him and said, "Sir, we would like to meet Jesus." Philip told Andrew, then the two of them went to Jesus and told him. The reason that this is at the back of many churches is a reminder that people come here to see Jesus. Just like these two Greek gentlemen in this story came and wanted to see Jesus, people come to church and want to see Jesus. They don't come wanting to hear the latest political theories or pop psychology from the pastor. What they want to hear is Jesus, and they're there to see Jesus. Now, we're living in incredibly divisive times, unfortunately, where I feel the right-wing church is being pulled into its set of values, and the left-wing church is being pulled into its set of values, and everybody's like, "I stand for this. No, I stand for this. No, I stand for this." Let me just ask you this. Does anybody still stand for Jesus? Do you come to church wanting to see Jesus?